Standard analytics show you exactly how many people visited your site, but those numbers do not explain why a user suddenly abandoned your checkout page. Trying to fix a user experience with just traffic data is like navigating a maze in the dark. You can see you are losing people, but you have to guess where the obstacles are. Microsoft Clarity is a behavioral analytics tool that records live user sessions and generates heat maps. It allows you to see the site exactly as your visitors do. However, adding third-party tracking scripts to a modern framework like Next.js usually comes with a penalty. A standard implementation can lower your Lighthouse scores and slow down your page. This happens because standard scripts are render blocking. When the browser hits the tracking code, it stops building the visual elements of your site until the analytics finish downloading. Over the next 5 minutes, we will implement this tracker using optimized Next.js components. You just need your app router codebase and a Vercel account ready. Behavioral insights should help you improve your site, not force you to sacrifice your core web vitals to get them. To start, log into the Microsoft Clarity website and click the button to add a new project. The setup dialog will ask for 2 things: a name for your project and the primary URL of your live website. Once the project is created, Clarity will ask how you want to install the code. Select the Install Manually option. The screen will display a block of JavaScript. Do not copy this entire snippet into your layout file. We only need one specific identifier. Look at the very last line of the code block and copy the unique 10-character alphanumeric string inside the quotes. This project ID is the only piece we need to integrate Clarity without causing the performance issues of a raw script injection. Open your code editor and navigate to your root layout file, located at src/app/layout.tsx. In this file, we import the script component from the next/script library and define the Clarity tracker using the project ID you just copied. We use the strategy equals afterInteractive property. This tells Next.js to prioritize primary page content first, downloading the Clarity tracker only once the site is interactive. This ensures fast performance while analytics boot quietly in the background. By wrapping the script in a check for the production environment, you prevent your own clicks during local development from appearing in your live data. Using these built-in Next.js components changes the tracker from a render-blocking obstacle into a completely invisible background utility. Now open your terminal and run standard git commands to stage and commit the changes. Push the commit to your main GitHub branch to trigger the automatic Vercel deployment pipeline. Monitor your Vercel dashboard until the build process finishes and displays a green deployed status indicator. Visit your live URL and interact with a few elements. This generates the initial traffic Clarity needs to verify the installation. Note that Clarity typically requires 1 to 2 hours to process and display this initial batch of data in your dashboard. Pushing the update through Vercel ensures your analytics are active on the live site without requiring any manual server-side configuration. After the processing window has passed, return to your Microsoft Clarity dashboard. The dashboard will now show behavioral data, including heat maps that reveal where users are focusing their attention on your pages. You can use the Session Recordings tab to watch playbacks of users navigating your live Vercel site, helping you identify exactly where they encounter friction. Metrics like rage clicks and dead clicks will pinpoint broken buttons or confusing layouts that are hurting your conversion rates. You now have a visual map of your user journey, all while maintaining the high performance and fast load times expected from a Next.js application. Use these insights to refine your UI. To further optimize your technical SEO, you can also use the free website image audit tool at ImageMagick's Online.